Alright, space fans, let's talk about planets. Our solar system has a bunch of them, and today we're putting them on a cosmic scale, from the little guy to the absolute heavyweight champion. First up is Mercury, the solar system's pocket-sized planet, or the smallest planet in the solar system. If planets had a family reunion, Mercury would be that cousin you forgot existed, tiny, and always hanging out close to the sun like, hey, I'm important too. It's about the size of North America, so pretty small. But hey, good things come in small packages, right? Next, we have Venus, Earth's twin, but let's be real, Venus is like Earth's slightly chunkier twin. Venus is about the same size as Earth, but with a bit of an attitude problem, like super hot, covered in clouds, and always in a bad mood. It's basically the planet version of a friend who's always complaining about the weather. Ah, Earth, home sweet home. Not too big, not too small, but just right. It's like the Goldilocks of planets, perfect for life, comfy weather, and enough water to keep things chill. So give it up for Earth. No bias here, but best planet ever. And here's Mars, the scrappy little sibling of Earth. It's about half the size, but it's always trying to be like us, the wannabe Earth with dreams of water and maybe even life. But let's be honest, Mars is like that friend who's always saying, I'm gonna move out and get my own place, but still lives with their parents. Now for the big guy, Jupiter, this thing is huge. Like Jupiter's the kind of planet that walks into a room and suddenly there's no room left. You could fit over 1,300 Earths inside Jupiter. That's like comparing a basketball to a beach ball. That's the size of a house. Fun fact, Jupiter has such strong gravity that it might actually protect us from space rocks by pulling them in. So thanks, Jupiter. You're basically the bouncer of the solar system. Then there's Saturn, Jupiter's not-so-little brother, almost as big but with way more style. Those rings are like cosmic bling, the ultimate flex. Sure, other planets have rings, but Saturn's are the ones everyone remembers. It's like showing up to a party with a diamond-encrusted suit. Saturn knows how to make an entrance. Uranus is up next, and get this, it's tilted on its side. It's like Uranus was the planet that tried to skateboard down a ramp, wiped out, and just never bothered to get back up. It's still big, 4 times wider than Earth, but its unique tilt gives it some serious cosmic street cred. Finally, we've got Neptune, the cool, distant one. He thinks he's the main character. Neptune is like the mysterious guy at the end of the bar, all blue and aloof. It's about the same size as Uranus, but way out there. It's so far from the sun that it takes 165 Earth years to go around it once. Talk about taking your time! And here's a wild fun fact to blow your mind. The sun is so big that you could fit all the planets inside it, with room to spare. Yep, the sun is that giant glowing orb that makes everything else look like marbles in comparison. So next time you feel small, just remember, compared to the sun, everything else is too. That's the size of the planets, fun-sized, giant-sized, and everything in between. Stay Earthwise and otherwise for more cosmic wonders.